Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Brent.
And we are the founders of Beekman 1802.
And today we're going to make reusable food wraps.
For this project you'll need 100% cotton fabric, a cup of beeswax, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, pinking shears, medium-sized cooking pot, mason jar, oven gloves, a paintbrush or pastry brush, and a coat hanger or clothesline.
Now, a lot of the projects we choose to do in the almanac use up things that you already have in your house. And for this particular project, it's a great way to use up all those vintage fabrics or old pieces of cotton clothing that maybe you don't wear anymore.
And what you're going to do is you're going to cut them, you can make them any size, but you're going to cut them so that they fit in one of your baking sheets.
You don't have to use pinking shears, but if you use pinking shears, it's going to keep the edges of your fabric from fraying.
How is that, Brent? Is that nice and neat?
It's pretty good. Maybe I could have done better. I think I'm going to leave mine large because you can use these to cover up bowls if you're going to leave something in your refrigerator just overnight. And you might be thinking, how am I going to use these? Well, these are really, really great to use in place of plastic wrap, particularly for things that are dry. So your children's sandwiches when you pack them off for school at lunch, or you're going to wrap over a bowl that's going to sit in the refrigerator just for overnight. These are a great way to reduce the amount of plastic that you're using in your home.
Next, heat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Half fill the cooking pot with water, then set it on the stove to boil.
Then place the beeswax and jojoba oil in a mason jar.
And you're going to put it right in the boiling water.
And you're going to leave it in there just long enough for the beeswax to melt.
While this is happening, line a baking tray with the waxed paper and lay a single piece of fabric on the tray. So once the wax is fully melted, you're just going to take it out of the water.
And then you're going to just drizzle it all over the surface. And it's going to dry pretty quickly. And don't worry if you don't seem to be getting it even, because we're going to solve for that after the next step.
Place the tray in the oven for a couple of minutes to reheat the beeswax. Then pull the tray out and use the paintbrush to spread the mixture evenly over the cotton fibers.
You can see how quickly it starts to dry.
And all you're going to do now is you're going to hang it with a clothespin or on a clothes hanger.
Clip. You're going to let that hang for about 45 minutes till everything is dry, and then it's ready to use. For complete instructions or to learn more, pick up a copy of the Beekman 1802 Almanac or visit tsc.ca. That's a wrap.
I know it's a wrap. We just made it.
No, I mean, it's a wrap.
I know, it's a wrap. We made it.
No, I mean, we're done.